Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to connect Portronics mouse with your phone. Okay, you can see here this is my Portronics Toad 1 mouse and it is have two connectivity like one is USB dongle 2.4 gigahertz you can see here, and you can simply remove from here. So and there is another connectivity, it is Bluetooth, and Bluetooth have two versions. Toad 1 is normal Bluetooth and Toad oneplus is higher than normal Bluetooth. So you can simply connect Toad 1 for older devices, Toad 1 Plus for newer devices, and also those two Bluetooth devices work with all of new devices. Okay, and you can see here I'm simply choose to 2.4 gigahertz. You can see here it is 2.4 gigahertz, and this is the USB dongle, and this is my phone. You can see here this is my OnePlus 70. I simply show you that about device, it's OnePlus 70. Okay, you can see here, and simply connect this device here. Okay, it is connected. Now connect with our phone. Yeah, it is connected, and you can see here now it is a notification configure your physical keyboard. Okay, so that's guys, you can see here mouse pointer is here. We can simply use this. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.